Okay, I am back with another bright painting. This is going to be bright silver, which is going to be similar as the gold one that I did, where I injected the paint down into 1 cup of color, just a little bit of paint. This is silver mixed from the bright metallics from Deco Art and mixed with this Artist Loft silver. The next color, the color that's going to be injected in, I just have a little bit of it, is this Glowing Peach by Arteza. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's empty. So you can tell I've used this one before. And the next color will be Deep Magenta. As you can see, it's definitely a darker pink to this. Also by Artist Loft for that one. And then my next color is mixed with this. Now this is like a slate gray blue. It is leftover paint from a painting a while ago that I saved, and I mixed it with this one from Amsterdam. It's called Pearl Blue, and it's extremely transparent. So it's just basically taking this paint and just adding this really cool blue pearl to it. It's really, really pretty. So those are the colors, and I am gonna get started. Wish me luck. Alright, before I start tilting it some more, I am going to drizzle a little bit of this blue, this really cool blue that we lost, into here. Alright, I can already see that I have a problem. My paint was definitely too thin. So I'm gonna scrape it. and start all over again. Yep. I won't have you guys watch this part because it's sad. I'm going to save all the paint and reuse it for something else, but I can see already that the edges right here, I don't know if you can see it, the edges will be almost see-through, and that's not what I want at all. So I'm going to start over and maybe do a darker silver. Maybe add a little bit of white or black to it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm going to probably do both. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, I scraped the painting, I scraped the table, and I came out with this really cool, pretty purple. I don't know if you can see that. That purple right there. It was really cute. It was, you know, not what I was looking for though. So I added a few drops of black, and it turned into this really, really, really pretty dark silver. It's not the color I wanted. So I decided to scrap it. I will save that for another time and start over. And so I took this semi-transparent Amsterdam pewter mixed with the Artist Loft silver, which is completely opaque. So hopefully I have solved the problem of how thin it was and how transparent it was. And I can get this right this time, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So once again, I've got a full cup. I also think I'm not going to do the swirl with the stick like I did the first time. I'm going to drop in a little bit of this pink. Oof. That was more than I wanted. That's okay. I'm going to do a little bit of the magenta. And now I'm going to do a little bit more of that crazy pearlescent blue. This is the most transparent thing out of everything here, is this. All right, not going to do the swirl with the stick. Going to control the urge to do that, and fingers crossed that this time it works. Oh, I saved it. This is my favorite. Oh, you can't really see it on camera. This is my favorite part right here, and I'm trying to save it. Okay, I love it, but there's this weird spot right here that I don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything about it. Do I dare? Nope, made it worse. Okay, I love it, but there's this weird spot right here that I don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything about it. Do I dare? Nope, made it worse. Okay, continuing to make it worse. I think I might be stuck with it. Trying to get the pink to overlay it. Nope, I'm leaving it alone. All right. I see a couple bubbles. I'm gonna pop them. And then I'm not touching this again. Completely different look from the gold one. Way more subdued. That gold was really, really, really bright. So, well, we'll see what it looks like when it dries. Thank you for watching. Okay, it does still have the weird blob once it dried, but it also has these weird little shimmery dots, which kind of add texture to the painting, so I'm okay with that. And I might not scrap this one after all or pour over it. Now, if you have a favorite color combo or style of pour or technique that you would like me to try, please leave a comment below and I will see what I can do. Thank you so much for watching. More videos to come, and I hope everybody gets to have some fun and make a mess.